This song is called Back of the Truck.